Here we have a Peugeot 2008, it's a 2003 model. It's come in to us because the customer reports that the air conditioning isn't working, but she's had the aircon regassed and it's still not working. So we carried out a diagnostic, no faults in the aircon, but what we did get was P0257, which is an electronic thermostat control circuit error. And on looking, once we took the battery tray out, this is the thermostat housing. See, it's got a temperature sensor, comes out the top here, round to the wiring loom, to the plug, and then this plug was just dangling here, doing nothing. You look down here, torch on here, just here, there is another plug that is supposed to go into, but that's a 4-pin plug and that's a 2-pin socket. So whoever's fitted this hasn't used the wiring loom adapter, and they've actually taken the thermostat, the temperature sensor, out of the old thermostat, put it in here instead of utilising the new thermostat, new temperature sensor, which is just down here, little brown plug. Don't know if that's really showing up. Let's have a look, see if we can do it this way. Yes, there it is, little brown plug. In fact, it still had, if I can find it, temperature sensor still had that plugged over the end of it. So what we've got coming is the new wiring loom adapter, so we can utilise the new temperature sensor. We'll just blank this off out of the way, that's not going anywhere. That can be used as a bleed port because it's still got a screwdriver slot in it. Put the new wiring loom adapter kit on it, get that sorted out, clear the fault code, and then get the aircon working.